Okay, let me turn this light on really quick. I'm not even supposed to be freaking recording today. So how I look, and I really don't care right now, to be honest. I'm a naturally empathetic person. I'm a Cancer, July 20th. So when somebody's going through something, I don't just like listen to them. I can literally feel what they're going through and feel how they're feeling, especially since I've experienced it too. So let's jump right into it. We're not doing the whole intro thing, like all of that. No, I love y'all, but not right now, because I just dropped my kids off at school. That's why I'm looking like crazy, and I'm literally sitting here getting ready to edit another video to have it ready by 5-6 o'clock for you guys. So hopefully you'll get that one. So I'm not gonna open it yet because I don't want her to see my response until she sees this video. Hey girl, I got your back. I got you. Okay. Hey Cyn Doll, I have been following you on YouTube for years, and it just occurred to me, follow her on Instagram. Thank you, girl. I have a quick question and I would love your input. I recently got on YouTube about a year ago. My first video somehow started building some traction because you're dope. That's why. What do you mean somehow? I have been styling hair for about 4 years. Never ever said I was an expert, but I decided to record some videos just to show what I do. I'm a learning stylist, and every day I learn something new. Now, the trolls. I know I have to... I've read it already, so that's why I know I have to have a thicker skin, but my anxiety is out of control right now. I'm literally almost in tears. I love hair, but I don't know if I'm ready for the rude ass mean remarks. I mean, nice comments, but I'm literally removing negative comments all day, baby. Welcome to the club. If I am removing comments all day, do you think I should get off? I know people are always going to have positive and the negative, but did you experience this in the beginning? If so, how did you handle it? I just want to say this. First of all, no. You bet not get off. That's, you know, the video that I posted yesterday, how I started my video off. People don't understand, because I work so hard and my husband is on board, like not helping me. He's not helping me. My husband is literally handling it, because for me to do it, it was too much. And I want to say this, people that get on YouTube are human beings. This is a woman who has only been doing hair for 4 years. She loves her craft so much, and she's like, wow, there are probably other people who have only been doing hair for a couple of years, or maybe, I don't know, like she just loved what she do. She got a phone, she had a camera, and she decided to record it and post it. And this woman is almost in tears, and I'm so passionate about this because the way that she says that she feels, I've been there before. So I'm going to talk directly to her. You bet not stop. When you see me comment back, it's not because I'm like, oh, being catty, or I'm mad, or being petty. No. Whenever a troll or a person who's miserable in life, because at the end of the day, that's all they are, okay? Whenever a person who is miserable in life leaves a comment, their intention is to make you feel exactly like you feel right now. Because energy is neither created nor destroyed. It is simply transferred from one space to the next. Whenever they type, they are literally putting negativity on you for you to take within yourself, and that's what you've done. Stop deleting the comments. When they comment and they push that negativity on you, you kill them with kindness. You know how you do that? Thank you for your engagement. Sometimes if it's too bad, like if I'm a couple bitches and hoes, I'll say something like, thank you so much for the engagement. And you know, it means a lot to me, and I really appreciate the fact that you spent so much time out of your day and so much energy to be so negative and disruptive for me. I really, really hope that whatever is making your heart so nasty is healed, and I wish you the best. Thanks again for the engagement. Girl, that shit is like pouring hot coals over their head. They give you negativity, you give it right back to them. You bet not stop, Because if the person who got into business to make the phone that you're watching, or hell, the people who created YouTube, the ones who created Instagram, and all of these people, they had people talking shit about them too. And look at them now. Don't stop, because literally whenever you see a person being negative, all that is happening, when they look at you, they see a reflection, and depending on what's on the inside of them, they see one or two things. They either see everything they want to be and they get inspired, or they see everything that they feel like they will never become. So because they feel like they will never become or never have the strength to do what you do, they beat you down to make you match their level. Because when you look on trolls' pages, most trolls don't even have a video. Most people who are leaving the comments on your videos don't even have 1 ounce of what it took for you to step out of your shell and post it. Please continue to grow. Please continue to learn. If you look at my very first video on YouTube here, and then you look at my last videos, they look completely different, because you are a goddess and you are constantly evolving and remembering who you are. So you will always be changing, you will always be learning, and you will always be growing. When you were born, you didn't know how to walk and you had to learn, did you not? Same thing. So if you delete your stuff and if you stop now because of the crowd and what they have to say, you become just like them. They left the comment to knock you down off of your throne. You wipe the dust off of your shoulder, address your crown, and don't you move your ass off of your throne for anyone. Period. I don't care. Ask yourself, why are you doing it? And if you can honestly give yourself an answer and say that you're not doing it for accolades and you're not doing it for other people, then keep moving, because they laughing and they talking shit now, but when you have 1 million subscribers here on YouTube, they're going to be singing your praises and trying to buy merch. So you bet not stop. Period. I love you guys so much. I know I sound really intense in this video, but it's like, I just feel like people, they see people that are on YouTube as a means of entertainment, but because you're a means of entertainment, you no longer have the ability or the strength, or you're no longer allowed to be a person. We put on our pants 1 leg at a time, just like you. Some of the pants may cost a little more, but it's the same thing. Okay, I just wanted to make this video, and I'm gonna edit it down so I can make sure it's not that long, but I just wanted to make this video just so y'all can see, like, in real life what your negative comments do to people. And when I make videos like, oh, everybody's not like me, I'm not trying to say like, oh, I'm so much better than everybody else, but I can take the shit. It make me mad for a minute, like I want to fight. I'm just being real. Like, it don't hurt my feelings. It made me want to slap you, because I feel like you only saying stuff out of the way because ain't nobody slapped you the right way. Does it hurt my feelings? No, but this woman is in tears. Like, she's just started in the hair industry, and she tried to share, and now she's like, she having anxiety attacks because people calling her, oh, it sucks, she's horrible. There's no telling. So I love you guys so much, and if you really love me back in return, can you please do me a favor and go ahead and head over to her channel, go under this video, and go say something amazing to her. Leave her a comment, tell her that I sent you, and tell her that she's beautiful, and say something amazing to her, because you have no idea how much it takes to be able to put your passion out on screen and allow people to judge you just to find out that they're that vicious. Because when you edit a video, there's never one inkling or one thought in your mind that people are going to hate it, because you love it so much. So even if it's bad, even if it's not good for somebody else, in your mind you love it, or else you wouldn't share it. In your mind you like, well, they gonna love this, girl, they gonna love this.
And then maybe like, that bitch is stupid. I can't stand the way she talk. That bitch is ugly. Like,
y'all, I don't care. I am going to be me. I am going to live unapologetically and out loud, and this is why. Not all women have awaken that part of their self to be able to be like, no, I don't care. This is who I am. And if you don't like it, keep it moving. But I have. And call me what you want, but I will be that voice for the queens that cannot speak up for themselves. So if you want to join me on that, then like I said, head over to her channel, link in the description box below. Go to that video, say something really sweet, and if you want to be double sweet, subscribe to her channel too. She has no idea whatsoever that I am doing this. So y'all are going to be watching this video at the same time she is. I love you guys so much. I have a lot of work to do. I have to get this video edited and up for you guys, but yeah, that's it. Like, we have to do better. I'm telling you, somebody's mama, some of y'all mama wasn't whooping on y'all ass, right? That's what happened. Either your mama even if your mama gave you whoopings, you ain't getting fights when you was in school. I'ma tell you, I don't know, this could be the Detroit in me, but sometimes fighting is character building, okay? But somebody needs to get whooping on your ass now. Something.